Alex here. Gonna crack the last 2 boxes of Trinity from that case. Good luck, buddy. Let's see what we got. I got a Braden Shipley. Number 5 pick in 2013 MLB Draft. Number to 30. And we have, oh wow, this is a cool looking patch coming up. Tim Anderson, 3 of 25. Look at this one. Billy McKinney, Oakland A tag. That is sick. Then we've got a pure of Henry Urrutia, 5 of 9. And Gosoki Kato, go Yankees, 17 of 30. Nice. That Oakland A's patch is out of this world. All right, and our last box, Trinity. Ooh, another nice looking patch. Chris Anderson. Got a 1-on-1 coming up at the end, too. 24-25 in the Anderson. Corey Nebel, 2-color jumbo. Ian Clarkin, 1 of 30. Go Yankees. A Gregory Polanco, 18 of 25. And Go Rangers inscription autograph, and that is Alex Gonzalez, 101 plate. Very nice. All right, Alex. Appreciate it as always, buddy, and I'll get it right out to you.